Heat here I have taken an example from mathematics. Suppose suppose in some subject you got to find the final value of this expression. In the numerator you got 29 plus 2 square by a definite integral with the limits. Lower limit is 3, upper limit is 4, and you have the 2 into x dx here. So how to feed this data? You need not to do manually, you need to apply mathematics again. You can feed the data using the calculator. How to do it? So calculator looks like this. If you want, the first step is you have to create a fraction here, numerator by denominator. To create this, you have to choose this button. And then if you want to feed the data in the numerator, use these cursors, the buttons, left arrow marks. You can use the arrow marks here and then move the cursor accordingly. For the definite integral, it has shaded out here, but if it's a new calculator, you can see the shape looks like this. And then if you want to feed this unknown variable x, see if you can note this here, the x is, the button here is bracket, close bracket, but the x is here. You can notice that the x has a color pink. So you have what you have to do, you have to go there, you have to press the alpha first, and then you can have to click this button, then it will be taken as x. So I'm just showing you like this. But to be very clear, if you let's see it very clearly. I have made 3 examples. This is the second example here is using the trigonometry. If you want to do the sine theta plus sine square theta plus cos theta by tan theta, and if theta is in, if it is in degrees, you have to select one mode, and if it is in radians, you have to select another mode. So different modes. Again, I have made a video, a clear video. You can view the link there. Please go through it. And one more example is here for inverse trigonometry. If you want to select the inverse trigonometry, you just need to press the shift and then press this button, whatever trigonometric function you have there. You can press these two, you can get the trigonometric function accordingly. And again, one more example here, 2 square plus 5 cube. If you want to solve the equation, so instead of making this as a subject, as a part of mathematics, to solve this, you have to bring the entire term here, you have to take the entire term to the denominator, and then take the 5 to this, then it will become -5. If you want to avoid all the things, you can directly feed the data and ask it to solve. Whatever bigger expression it is, you can feed the data here, the entire equation, and you can ask it to solve.
Facing the challenge of the FE exam, looking for a way to prepare smarter, not harder? Bhavanam's C2C has the answer. Introducing Bhavanam's C2C FE exam preparation program, designed for civil engineers aiming to pass the FE exam and excel in the USA. Wondering what sets us apart? Our expert team. Meet Mahendra, EIT and Project Manager, who knows the FE exam inside and out. K.N. Madhav, EIT and Civil Engineering Masters Graduate. And Chandravarthan, IIT Postgraduate and Top 422 GATE Rank Achiever. These experienced instructors have already helped hundreds succeed. Will you be next? In just 3 months, you will master all 14 essential subjects through live online classes held every evening from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. But that's not all. For each subject, sharpen your skills with 15 dedicated practice questions and follow up with quizzes containing 45 questions to solidify your understanding. Prepare like a pro with 3 full-length, 6-hour mock exams designed to mirror the final exam. Plus, receive personalized guidance through one-on-one sessions with our expert instructors to refine your strategy. We understand balancing work, life, and studies can be challenging. So we have got you covered with 1-year access to recorded sessions and replays of live classes to catch up anytime. Here's the game changer. While others charge over $1,000, we are offering everything for just $350. Want an even better deal? Contact the number below now to claim a flat $50 discount and get it all for only $300. Enjoy a 100% refund if you are not fully satisfied within the first week. No questions asked. Our live batches starts fresh every month on 15th. Don't miss your chance to join. Limited seats available. Contact the number below to secure your spot and get enrolled today.
Problem solving tips and tricks. So irrespective of the subject, our team always follows two tips here, the smart tip 1 and smart tip 2. The tip 1 says that pick up the right option based on the units of the answer required. Some of us, our team has attempted FE exam. They have got the certification. Even they have seen such questions in the exam. For example, if I see an example here, a ball is thrown into air with a velocity of 50 meter per second. Suppose a guy is staying over a ground and he has thrown a ball into the air with a initial velocity of 50 meter per second. And after time 5 seconds, what is the velocity he has asked? This is a topic of, dynamics, and actual pressure is you have to use this equation. V is equals to U plus AT, and you have to place A by minus G because it is against to the gravity. Then you will find the final answer as 0.95 meter per second. You will get it, not an issue. But if you don't know this topic, you are not aware of the formulas, then, but since you have the options, but still you want to answer it, you are very eager to get FE certification, then, they asked it, the answer, our target is velocity. And unit of velocity, you know it. Somehow you know it as meter per second. Then, if you see the option A, it is in meter. So this is not the answer. If you go for option B, this is in feet. This is unit for length. So it is not the answer. If you go for option C, it is unit for mass, 10 kg. So it cannot be answer. I want the answer for velocity, whose unit is meter per second. So now the answer is 0.95. So instead of knowing any topic, any concept, any subject, you can answer some of the questions. So one tip is this. So this is first tip. The second tip is choose the option based on the possible range of answer. Suppose, guys, as I said, a ball is thrown into air with 50 meter per second. He has standing he's standing here and thrown this ball into air against the gravity. Now, after 5 seconds, what is the velocity? I am asking. You don't know any concept, dynamics, and the options are 60, 70, 80, and 0.95. So I can pick up the answer. How? Think of the possible range. Think in terms of common sense and some minimum basic engineering discipline. Suppose you are standing on a ground, if you are throwing a ball against gravity with some initial velocity, obviously this velocity keeps decreasing. As you go on increasing, it will reach a stagnant stage. It will be zero somewhere here and then it will fall down. So the possibility is while the ball is moving up, it can be decreasing. So answer can be less than 50. So if it is 50 here, the answer should be less than 50. That should 0.95 is the answer because velocity cannot be increased. Energy cannot be added more than 50. That is one possibility. Suppose you guys might be saying that it has gone there. What if my ball is returning back? While returning back, the velocity again increases from 0 to whatever you have applied. It can be from 0 to 50. So answer can be from 0 to 50 only. The possible range is only 0 to 50 while going up or while going down. So answer cannot be behind this. So for the given range, then my answer is 0.95 only. So that is how you have to use some small engineering principles and small common sense. You can get the answer accordingly. So whenever while doing the statics or dynamics or any other subject, your first step is to apply the smart tip 1 and smart tip 2. If it is failed, then go to the actual pressure as per the concepts. So that's it.